Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you seeing the message you can't buy or sell right now on Facebook Marketplace? This usually means your account has a temporary restriction due to policy, payments or activity issues. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix you can't buy or sell right now on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly and like a pro. So first thing first, why this error appears. So this message usually appears because marketplace policy violation, too many reports from users, suspicious buying and selling activity, payments or shipping issue, repeated cancelled transactions. So the restriction is tied to your account status, okay? So first thing you can do is review violation details. So tap the restriction notice, read the explanation carefully, check for policy violation, check for suspicious behavior, check for payments issue. You have to understand the reason. This is so crucial, okay? You can also tap request review, so submit clear explanation and confirm. So be respectful, be honest, keep it short and clear, only available if eligible, okay? You can fix payments or shipping issues. So if related to payments, updates, MetaPay details, verify the identity, confirm bank accounts, check unpaid fees, okay? Payments problems often trigger restrictions, okay? You can also stop reposting duplicate listings, avoid spam messaging, follow marketplace rules strictly, don't cancel deals repeatedly, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.